Okay, to replace a door closer on a Sub-Zero 600 series side by side, this is the door closer, and they are left and right. So there's this little nylon guide up here. Hope you can see that. That sometimes can pop out, but it just pushes in. And so you want to take your door closer and put it in. It's tricky. Squeeze it, pull it, pull it in a little bit. Get it inside that guide. Okay, so you line up this guide, and then you have to pull this. Use a pair of pliers to pull this and get it on the hinge like that. Okay, so now that on, get a little E-clip here, push that in. Let's see if I can. There you go. All right, that's on.